this is so cute. Exact same shape. Look, it's really easy. It's too tight. Dear God. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Roxy. I started my online store selling domestically in China about 3 years ago, and now I'm starting my cross-border online store using Shopify. I know that there are so many of you out there starting a business, and I have learned so much from everyone's blog or videos, and I thought I could contribute my own. So in this series, I wanted to share with you all my previous experience on how I started my online business and my current, most recent experience on how I'm setting up my new Shopify store selling globally, how I source, how I market my brand, etc. And again, some more background information. I decided to go with drop shipping again to start my new shop so that I can gain more data on my target audience without investing too much upfront. So I have been vetting suppliers that has a good product quality and can ship overseas for me. I tried Overload, which pretty much all the products on there are from Aliexpress, and I also talked to my go-to supplier in China on 1688 to see if they can drop ship globally, and I didn't find the one that is okay in all aspects for me. But I didn't give up, and finally, after talking to like dozens of suppliers, I found one that seems to be perfect upon initial discussion. So I selected some samples from them, and today I got my package from this supplier that I found on Alibaba.com, and I can't wait to unbox it to show you all. So this supplier, I'm going to show you how I found it on Alibaba.com. As you can see on my screen that I have apparently used Alibaba for many times. I have a lot of messages from when I talked to a lot of suppliers. I was trying to contact them. And here I'm going to switch from products to supplier because I'm looking for a supplier specifically instead of products. And here, because I have searched for a lot of things in the past and I have this keyword already here. A supplier is pronounced as Xingyu Jewelry, and the first one popped up is from them. And as you can see, there are a lot of suppliers on Alibaba.com, and usually for jewelry specifically, a lot of the suppliers are from this place of area in Zhejiang province. It's called Yiwu. Their products are usually very cheap and they have a lot of varieties, but I haven't found one that can first of all ship globally and do drop shipping for me, and second of all is very good quality, because I do check a lot of the quality on Aliexpress, the customer reviews, and I see a lot of bad results. So in the end, I decided to go with this one that is not in the usual area that is famous for selling jewelry or producing jewelry. It's in Guangxi province. When I go into like the profile of this company, so many things that I couldn't see on Overload, Aliexpress directly, 1688. First of all, I see that they sell globally, they can ship globally, and second of all, I can see what their company looks like, which kind of reassured me, because you're looking for a lifelong partner. It's like looking for someone that you want to date. You want to see more things about them. So here I have all these informations about them, their office, what they look like, and also of course the customer reviews. And in this circumstances, it's also customers that are business owners like me. So here I have them. I can tell that they have been in the industry for 15 years and there are almost 600 transactions in the past 6 months. I talked to them and asking them about a lot of information. They replied really professionally and also very on time. So that's why in the end, I decided to try their samples. And now let's go to the most important agenda of the day, unboxing what they have. Let's see how it goes. And here I have all of the things that I picked. In front of me, I have 8 pieces that I picked from them, and I'm gonna go through them one by one. This is the very first time that I'm seeing them. At least now, from outside of this bag, I can tell that they're in really good quality, but I don't know. I'm gonna open them with you and let's see together. So first of all, I picked this jewelry that is a gold chain. It's just a gold chain without anything on it because I figured it's just like Pandora. There are nowadays a lot of people picking their own pendants and they like to do it, you know, a little bit do-it-yourself style and put the pendants on the chain by themselves, you know, pick the styles that they like. And this chain is all tied together. Dear God. So the chain that I have is about 50 centimeters and it's a little bit long. It's not the perfect length for choker, but of course you can have them modified it for you. I think overall from initial inspection, it is very shiny and very good quality. I know it's gold plated, and this thing, I don't know how to say this thing in English, but it's quite heavy and it has some weight. I think it's copper inside. And now I'm going to put the pendant that I picked. I can already feel the weight in my hands, so these things are not very light. I think the weight itself is very important because it would show the quality of this thing. I picked 3 letters. That is going to be the new brand name of my Shopify store. I think it looks very well from all the angles. While I was putting it on, it's really easy to put on, and I'm going to try it on later to let you see how it feels. And so the stones on all these letters, they are very shiny and are placed in exactly where they are, because there are some products you see the stones are like everywhere. All right, so I'm really satisfied with this. Here I also picked another pendant that is really cute. It's a cherry, and I also wanted to see, because they have a lot of other choices as well. Since I just wanted to see the quality, so I just picked the cherry, which is what I like personally. Okay, well, I know this is a video about suppliers, but it's kind of going into the style of jewelry. What I like about this necklace is that you can mix and match. You can pick the pendant and then you can put it on your necklace. So I think it is really cute. You know? Now from the quality of what I have here, I think I might have them all in my store. To show you how much I love cherry, apart from the pendant that I just picked, I also picked a set of earrings. For these is because I mainly want to see how the quality is when they're making earrings, if these things are attached in, you can easily remove it, you can easily put it on, but it's not, you know, very easy to lose it. I'm just gonna try it on. It's quite lightweight. I usually wear my hair down. You can still see it inside my hair. Let's go straight to the next pair of earrings that I got from them. It's also very tiny. So all the previous styles that I picked, the products that I picked had stones in them, because I wanted to see if they are locked in the right position and also if they are very shiny. And here, this one, it doesn't have any stones, so it's a different type of making, but you can also tell if the mold is also very well like crafted, and here the color, if they are very well saturated. I'm really satisfied, I have to say. Even though it's very tiny, but the details on it can show that it's very good. I have it on. Now goes to the very last set of earrings that I have. Kind of the basic or the staple version in a lot of people's jewelry collection. And I also wanted to see the metal itself, if it's very good. And also this type of how you wear it instead of this type, their product quality also shows it's very good. And it's very tight apparently. Well, let's try this one on. I think it's the right shape. And also this is a lot heavier than the previous two, than these studs. I don't think it's heavy enough that would make you feel uncomfortable. Those are all of the earrings that I have, and I got 2 more necklaces from them. This one is pure gold plated. There's no stones on it, but it's in a very cute flower shape. You're going to know why I pick these type of shape, because it matches with the new brand that I have and also the new logo that I have. I'm going to keep it as a secret for now until I fully launch my store to show you guys. I'm going to show in closer look how this rose is being like cut off. I mean, how it's being crafted. The leaf can see very clearly, and also all these little details on the rose petals, they are all very well made, and it also has some weight. So this one, I think it is really good as well. And now on to the very last one from today. I don't think there's anything that I don't like so far. So this one, you probably can tell by now that this jewelry, I mean this supplier, it's very good at making, first of all, pendants in very different shapes. And also they have the stones that are in really good quality. And this one is full of the stones, and it's in a shape of an eye. So for this one, what you want to focus on is if all of these stones, first of all, are locked in the right position, and also if the stones can reflect the light in a very good all angles. And also you want to check how they are attached to the chain, if it is also like you can easily lose it, and that's a no in these circumstances. So I like all of them from my selection, and they're in really good quality. I'm so happy, and I think that's what you can get from doing a lot of research, and also of course my previous experience helped a lot, and also from going to a really trustworthy website. Overall, I'm really satisfied and super happy with the supplier and their product quality. I think I can move on to the next level of discussion with them, you know, talking about shipping cost and how we are going to collaborate. I hope you guys find today's video helpful, and I'll leave a link in the description box below that will lead you directly to Alibaba.com, and I hope you can find your suppliers very soon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!